Honor finally introduced Honor Magic V3 in China. It packs premium flagship-level specifications and undercuts the recently released Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 by a big margin. It's really thin and light, which measures 9.2mm when folded and 4.35mm when opened. The handset weighs 226 grams only. It will be available in black, green, red, and white color options. Coming to the display, the Honor Magic V3 has a 6.43-inch main screen with curved edges offering an FHD Plus resolution. Internally, there is a 7.92-inch display. Both screens feature a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR Vivid, and support stylus. Honor says that the device offers 5000 nits peak brightness. The Honor Magic V3 comes with an octagonal-shaped protruding camera island on the back panel, a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 40MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50MP periscope telephoto unit with support for 100x digital zoom and OIS, and a 20MP front-facing cameras. The Honor Magic V3 is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It packs up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. The software side is covered by Magic OS 8.0.1 based on Android 14. Magic V3 packs a 5150 mAh silicon carbon battery with 66W wired and 50W wireless charging. Honor Magic V3 pricing starts at 8,999 Chinese yuan, $1,240 for the 12/256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.